massive steel plates are transferred from the ship to the transport vehicles using the shipyard's main crane. Fiber laser technology allows us to slice through robust materials quickly and efficiently, ensuring unparalleled precision every time.
With unparalleled precision, these robotic systems ensure the structural integrity of every chassis that moves through the line. The installation process requires precision. After cutting the laminate, carefully align the tongue and groove.
Utilizing advanced robotics, the installation process achieves unprecedented levels of precision and efficiency.
Using advanced CNC technology, we precisely mill these aluminum plates, creating custom window openings with unparalleled accuracy.
The side frames are lifted with precision, showcasing the power of the new tower crane system.
The machining process requires high precision. Now we move on to the bearing fitting, ensuring it slides smoothly into the bore.
We're good to go on this section. Bring the next panel up slowly.
We're seeing some stress fractures developing right here on the articulation joint.
The thermal imaging confirms it.
Impact test complete. The door exhibits minimal deformation and maintains structural integrity.